Yeah, you think you're high stuff. You think you're high stuff. What are you doing? He's standing on the edge of the stairs and he just keeps laughing at me. You gonna get down now?
I know. My diet? Well, yesterday I had an apple turnover. Sort of my weakness.
You're not climbing up there. No, you're not.
That and Boston cream pie.
No, you're not.
Strawberry. And key lime pie.
No, you're not.
Already lost some weight.
No, you're not. No, you're not. Put your feet down. Yeah. It's funny.
Keep going. Keep going.
No, he's not allowed to. He just thinks he's so cool because he can stand up there.